Alright everyone, it is Retro John here, and today we are going to be taking a look at our final Wave 4 figure in this 4-figure lineup, and he's Ninjor, the evil ninja warrior. Ninjor is, I believe he showed up close towards the end of the vintage line. Ninjor also came with a load of accessories, and he was just a really cool figure. Let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging first. So we have the new for 21 logo. We have the Masters of the Universe logo bursting out of that red brick. We have the name Ninjor, and we can see he's modern posing with retro play. Figures proudly displayed on the front bubble. Turn them over to the back for some of that amazing artwork that we love with this lineup. Ninjor uses uncanny stealth abilities to spy on and surprise attack the heroes of Eternia. And so here we actually have Clamp Champ. I'm trying to protect King Randor, it looks like, from being attacked by Ninjor. On the back we have a cross-sell of all the figures in the line, which we've already reviewed. We also have a look at his weapons and the fact how posable he is. So, what do you say we open Ninjor up and take a look at the figure inside? Boom! Here he is. Alright, so we're going to go over articulation first, and then we'll go over all the little details and the downsides of this figure and the upside of this figure. First off, his head is on a ball joint. You can look up and down, look left to right, side to side. His arms do go out like so. His arms are very tight, by the way. He has the elbow bend, the elbow swivel, wrist bend. We have the waist articulation. We have the legs that go out this far. We have the knees that go back. And of course they swivel. His boot cut also swivels. His ankles can go up and down and swivel left to right. So very, very good articulation for this guy. Now let's go over the details. First off, the elephant in the room, the question everybody is asking, can his mask come off? No. This is a solid sculpted head, unfortunately. The vintage figure, his mask was removable. He had like a goatee thing going. His shirt was a cloth material. This is a rubbery plastic this time around. It is still removable, but it's not cloth. And it does have that really cool logo on his shirt, though. It has a little sash going across his waist. We have places for his accessories, and he does have those red monster feet. Other than that, the figure is all black, except for the red on his belt and the red on his arms and wrists. Let's notate that the wrists are just painted over the black arms, so some of that black is going to bleed through. All in all, though, I really like this figure. I would have preferred to have the cloth mask and the shirt like everybody, but I mean, this is a solid figure, and he still comes with some really cool accessories, which we're going to go over right now. So, first off, it is worth noting, like the other figures in this line, he does come with a piece of paper indicating what parts you can remove and swap with other figures. This is something new that they've been doing by throwing these little papers in with the new figures, and each piece of paper is the actual individual figure that you purchase, which is really cool because it's going to tell you what parts you can and can't swap from that figure. Alright, next up is he does come with the mini comic Sneak Attack, which is the same comic that comes with the other 4 figures. And of course, he comes with 3 different weapons. So, the first weapon he comes with is his nunchucks. His nunchucks are really cool because they are actually on a chain. Now, it is important to note that this is not a metal chain. It is actually a plastic chain. But it's still, you could still move them around and things. And of course, they can go in his hand like so. And you can even have him hold both handles. So that's pretty cool. Or there's actually a spot on the back where you could put one handle down here, and that'll hold on to the nunchucks. It would have been nice to have the hole fit both, or if there was another hole for both, but you know, there's not. But that's okay. Next, we have his bow. And I have it upside down. Now, his bow, I would think his best fit would probably be his left hand. So you just want to get that in there like so. There you go. And now he can hold his bow, fire it off. Or, if you don't want him to hold his bow, there's actually a spot in the back. Yes, you would think that this would be for the sword. And I actually had the sword in here. But you'll notice this little clip right here. That little clip is specifically made to fit right in there. Just like that. And that brings us to his final accessory, the sword I was referring to. And that just fits in either hand. He does have two gripping hands, so essentially you can have him dual wield if you so choose to do so. The only thing about the sword is there's no place to put the sword. Like I said though, I was able to fit the sword in the holster. So you can have him hold the sword, but then you can't really have him hold... You don't really have anywhere to stash this. I mean, I suppose you could maybe link that like so. I guess that would work. But I don't think that's really what they have had in mind. So, anyway, there you go. Here is our Ninjor. He is a really cool figure. Really, really love this figure. To me, this is, between him and Hordak, they are the standout figures in this lineup. And I really do enjoy them. In fact, let's go ahead and get him down here. Let's get Stratos, who still does not want to stand. We'll get the camera back a bit. We'll get Stratos, or we'll get Triclops in here. And we'll get Hordak in here. And there is our Wave 4 figures in the Masters of the Universe Origins line. I enjoy these figures. I love these figures. I love this lineup. This is really, really cool. These are hitting stores like Target right now. People have been finding them and posting them on Facebook. I also got mine not only from Target, but I also went on to Big Bad Toys and Entertainment Earth. They also have them, so go ahead, take a run on over there. They may still actually be available. And so yeah, if you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Or if you just haven't yet, please do. We're trying to hit 600 subscribers by the end of the year. That is our goal. Also, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and let me know down below in the comments which of these figures do you feel is the standout figure in this wave? Which is your favorite? Until next time, like they say on Eternia, they don't say goodbye, they say good journey.